Good afternoon, students. This is Kiran Sarswais. Welcome to online classes. We are discussing the lesson number 3, Robinson Crusoe. In morning first video, you have an idea regarding the Robinson Crusoe. Now, in the afternoon session, we complete the first paragraph of this lesson. Now we start the next. So, see the further line. 4 of us managed to get the boat into the sea and we jumped into it. So Robinson Crusoe discuss about that. The ship is beginning sink. Sink according to having the one leak there. So that's why they want to reach the small boat. So that's why they manage into the small boat and jump into it. उसके ऊपर वो jump कर गए. We row with all our might, but the waves were like mountains. We have to understand the meaning of row means oar. O-A-R, oar. Oar means, see here, this is the oar. They putting forward the boat. This is called a row. We row with all our might. हम पूरी ताकत के साथ वो रो पानी में चला रहे थे. But the waves were like mountains. So waves कितने बड़े थे? Mountain जितने बड़े थे. Till here we discussed yesterday. Now see the page number 36. We struggle on. But at last a gigantic wave. Gigantic, huge, बहुत भयानक, बहुत बड़ी. So greater than all the others. So we are discussing about the wave and the 4 members struggling in the sea and one gigantic wave greater than all the others. सबसे ऊंची, जितने सारे waves आए थे उनमें से सबसे ऊंची hurl our little boat into the air. Hurl यानी throw out. फोर्सफुली मूवमेंट, फोर्सफुली थ्रो आउट, उनको हर्ल किए एयर में उस बोट को गिगेंटिक वेव ने एंड इट सिंक बीनीथ अस. और वो ऊपर जाने के बाद वो नीचे आए और वो डूबने लगे. दिस इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन अबाउट द वेव्स. ओके, आई एम अ गुड स्विमर एंड फॉर एन आवर एंड हाफ आई बैटल इन द स्टॉर्मी सी. So Robinson Crusoe discussing here, and he is going to deal with the swimming portion. After sinking the boat, he is swimming there half an hour, hour and half hour. मतलब 1.5 घंटे तक वो वहाँ पे तूफ़ानी समुंदर में वो तैरता रहा. As I caught sight of the coast, a huge wave would lift me up and carry me out to the sea again. What is the meaning of this line? So he is swimming there in the sea and there is having so many gigantic waves and he see the sight of the coast. एक किनारा दिखा उसको और किनारे की तरफ वो बढ़ने लगा and they are coming the one gigantic wave and carry Robinson out to the sea again. उसको और से समुंदर के किनारे से समंदर में फेंक दिया गया उस वेव्स ने. Again and again I tried to reach the shore. बार बार प्रयास करने के बाद भी वो बार बार शोर की तरफ जाने का प्रयास कर रहा था. Again and again I was thrown away by the raging seas. So बार बार वो समुद्र के किनारे पहुंचने का प्रयास कर रहा था, फिर भी रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो को बार बार वो वेव्स खींच कर समुद्र में लाती थी. At last I was hurled toward the shore. और आखिरकार समंदर के किनारे उस वेव्स ने उसको फेंक दिया एंड फेल डाउन एग्जॉस्टेड ऑन द सैंड. और उसी तरह एक बड़ी सी वेव्स आए और उसको समुंदर के किनारे फेंक दिया. ओके, गॉट इट द मीनिंग? द नाइट वाज डार्क विदाउट अ स्टार इन द स्काई. सो देयर इज नो मैटर वेयर इज द नाइट और डे. So they are struggling in the sea, swimming 1 hour and a half. So according to that, one waves hurl toward the shore, toward the seashore, and at last he fell down on the sand, and that time हैविंग अ डार्क मीन्स नाइट था वो. द नाइट वॉज डार्क विदाउट अ स्टार इन द स्काई एंड आई न्यू that laying on the sand would be dangerous. So actually the Robinson Crusoe lay down on the sand and this is the time of the night. In that night laying down on the sand, this is the very dangerous because there are certain reasons, there are so many reasons. Because अगर अंधेरी रात में आप समुद्र के किनारे सोते हुए रहते हो तो this is the become a very dangerous. So that's why regarding that this field become a dangerous. I crawled away from the sea. Crawled, move slowly. I crawled away from the sea as fast as I could and come to some bushes and trees. जितना जल्दी हो सकते उतने जल्दी से वो वहाँ से उठे एंड दे रीच बिहाइंड द बुशेस एंड ट्रीज. झाड़ियों के और पेड़ के पीछे जाके वो छुप गए. I did not know what wild animal were would be in the forest, and so I climbed up one of the trees. So this is the very dangerous lying on the sand. That's why he went behind the branches and trees, and there is a chances to coming the wild animal. That's why he climbed on the tree and made myself comfortable between two great branches. And according to that, the Robinson Crusoe making comfortable him between the two great branches. दो बड़े बड़े झाड़ियों के पत्ते के बीच में जाकर वो खुद को कंफर्टेबल करके आए. Then I slept the night as well as I could, and after that he struggling the this circumstance. After that he climbed on the trees and slept there on the tree, and there I slept the night as well as I could. जितना जल्दी हो सके उतने जल्दी वो वहाँ पर जाकर सो गए. Okay students, till here we stop today. Remaining part we will see in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.